Good day everyone. Now let's discuss about warming up and what is the benefits of warming up before doing a physical activity. Warm up exercise is a preparation for physical exertion or a performance by exercising or practicing gently beforehand, usually undertaken before performance or practice. Warming up is essential for training and practicing because if we don't practice, we can get badly injured. Without proper preparation, our body is not prepared for our physical activity that we have chosen. Here are 4 examples of the benefits of warming up. Number 1, to embrace yourself mentally and physically for your chosen physical activities. Na pag maka-warm up na ta is ang matabuan is your body is physically ready for the activity that you have chosen, and so our mind is mentally prepared for what exercise that we have chosen, and mas makafocus pa ta sa atong buhaton nga exercise. So number 2, to raise your heart rate and blood flow so that more oxygen can enter your blood muscle.
So pansay na to, pag mag-warm up na ta is mas muinit atong lawas. Mo na siya signs nga nataas na atong heart rate and smooth na atong blood flow. More oxygen means more energy. So kapag naglalaro tayo ng basketball is di tayo agad-agad na maglalaro. Mag-warm up muna tayo para makakuha tayo ng sapat na energy para sa paglalaro, diba? Or sa pag-practice. Number 3, to enable and prepare your nerves and muscles to enhance their movement efficiency. Now, for example, pag magdula tag basketball. So, before ka magdula basketball is naga-stretching sa ka, naga leg swings ka ganun. Now, kaning siya nga mga warm up is ga-activate na siya sa imong nervous system and muscles, and maka-improve na siya sa atong coordination and reaction time, allowing you to shoot the ball more accurately and move more efficiently on the court. Now last and finally, number 4, to improve your range of motion, flexibility, and improve your athletic performance. Stretching exercise like hamstring stretches and quad stretches improve flexibility, reducing the risk of injury and allowing for better range of motion during your workout. So importante jud kani pag warming up because para makapag-iwas ta sa injury and mas mo-improve pa to ang performance. So that is all for my report. Thank you everyone for listening and watching.